Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to VVSMA Academy. Today I would like to divert your attention towards the lesson 7 or 8. The 10th standard examinations purpose. Both Kannada and English medium students are ready. Please come forward to take the classes today. All Stedla. VVSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science. Our Vision Village School Master mission is that 10th standard science textbook solutions, Karnataka State syllabus in English medium. Well, let us start our studies. The experiment for exploring the magnetic field around a current carrying a conductor. This is Hans Christian Ørsted, 1777 to 1851, a Danish. He is a Danish scientist. Discovery of electromagnetic field. You know, my dear friends, discovery of electromagnetic field is physical property of matter that causes him to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. The field of electromagnetism was only 6 years old when Henry began teaching at the Albany Academy in New York. Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted have discovered in 1820 that an electric current in a wire from a battery caused nearby compass needle to deflect. It shows the presence of magnet or magnetism or magnetic field. Well, friends, let us have a brief discussion about the electric charge is the physical property of matter. There are two types of charges, positive and negative charges. Positive repels each other, negative also repels each other, and the positive and negative attracts each other because of unlike charges. This is very important phenomena. These are the point charges. This is the positive charge and this is the negative charge. Here positively and negatively charged particles are interacting and giving a magnetic field or electric field, you can say. And this is the two positively charged particles repels each other. Coming to I would like to divert your attention towards electromagnet. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field and it is produced by an electric current. The magnetic field disappearing when the current is turned off. Electromagnet usually consists of wire wound into a coil. This is a permanent bar magnet. A permanent magnet is an object made from the material that is magnetized and creates its own persistent magnetic field. An everyday example is a refrigerator magnet used to hold notes on the refrigerator door. Ørsted experiment. Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted had discovered in 1820, as I told you, he showed the experiment that an electric current flowing through a wire could move a nearby magnet. This is the current carrying conductor, where the compass needle deflects towards the west, indicates the presence of magnetic field, my dear friends. Here, magnet and the current, the interaction between the magnetism and electric current or electric field. That is, a compass needle is a small magnet. What is compass needle? Here, what we have come across, this is a compass needle. It is a small magnet. Its one end which points towards north is called a north pole, and the other end which points towards the south is called south pole in this compass needle or a magnetic needle. A magnetic field, it exists in the region surrounding a magnet in which the force of the magnet can be detected. Wherever the magnet is there, around which the magnetic field is established. Then what are magnetic lines or field lines are used to represent a magnetic field? A field line is a path along which hypothetical free north pole intend to move. The direction of the magnetic field at point is given by the direction that the north pole placed at the point would take. Field lines are shown close together where the magnetic field is greater. You can see the magnetic lines. Then here you can see in this circuit the metallic wire. This is the metallic wire. What is that metallic wire? It is a conductor. This metallic wire carrying an electric current has associated with the magnetic field. The field lines about the wire consists of a series of concentric circles whose direction is given by the right hand thumb rule. This is a very important concept in the magnetic effects of electric current, my dear friends. What is a magnetic field? Magnetic field lines and the magnetic field. If you come across here, another important thing to know the magnets and its properties. Magnet, a freely suspended bar magnet, is always stands in the direction of north and south. That is, rests in the direction of north and south. This is the property of magnet. And one more thing to know, the uses of magnet. In the science and technological world, we can use the magnet in different fields of science and technology, which is used in refrigerators. It is used in the radio and stereo speakers, and it is used in audio and video cassette players, and it is also used in children's toys and on hard disks of the floppies of the computers today. And properties of magnet, as we are already discussed here. And another one important thing is that Fleming's right hand thumb rule. My dear friends, right hand thumb rule says, imagine that you are holding a current carrying a straight conductor in your right hand such that the thumb points towards the direction of current, and then your fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of the field lines of the magnetic field. Here you can see the remaining four fingers. These are the folding fingers, indicates the direction of magnetic field, and the thumb indicates the direction of the current. That's very important. This is called Fleming's right hand thumb rule, my dear friends. And this is a conductor, circular conductor carrying an electric current. In each and every point you can find of the circular coil carrying a current, where at the point of at the different points, these are the lines of forces, that is magnetic field. That's very important. One more thing, the magnetic field, the area around a magnet where magnetic force is experienced, is called magnetic field. It is a quantity that has both direction and magnitude. Magnitude and direction, both the things are there. That's why it's called a vector quantity. Vector quantity is a quantity will have its own magnitude and direction. Well, friends, this is VVSMA Academy giving a fundamental concepts of education, basic concepts of education for your 10th standard and higher education. You can see our video. If you like our video, don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. Thank you. See you again in the next forthcoming classes, lessons 8, 9 and 10 in the chapter that is magnetic effects of electric current.